Hello, I'm Nadine from Waterfall Audio. Today we're introducing a new concept for an InWall subwoofer. We know that designers and architects don't like to see things, and we thought that by just showing something that looks like a heat radiator would be a good idea, because everybody is agreeing that you can have a heater in your house. So the concept is very simple. You have the InWall subwoofer that goes into the panel, so you use gypsum boards. The subwoofer is actually 10 centimeter depth that you need, and it's 60 centimeters here. So it's a very simple process. You position it on the drywall, then you come in, you position this, and you can stick the drywall on the actual, these are the grooves where you can use your silicone to glue the drywall on this part. So then you do not see this part is hidden in the wall, okay? And then you just come at the last minute, you install your driver and your amplifier. So it's an active subwoofer, but you could also use the amplifier in a rack if you wanted. So the advantage is that you have your subwoofer positioned during the construction, and when everything is dry, is free of dust and everything, then you can install the driver and so on. So you have many different things, and then you install this position here, the front panel, and this is a paintable front panel, so nobody can see the dry. It looks like it's just a heater in the room. So you can find more information and check the YouTube Waterfall YouTube channel, waterfallaudio.com. Thank you.